Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm the Coins Monster. What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm bringing you a project as an official price prediction video. And this project I've talked about in my live streams for the past week, and I made a call on this project in my trading room as well. Okay, today I will explain to you why I like this project, why I decided to invest in it, and why I think it has potential not only for this cycle, for the remainder of this cycle, but also for the years to come. Alright, let's get into it. So the project is API3. Okay, it's a Web3 based economy project. Now, the reasons why I like it, and as you all watched my videos previously, when I make a price prediction, I focus quite a bit on some key factors like the tokenomics, the tech, the idea of the project, the team, and its backers. Alright, these are key factors that I look for. For this project, it looked great, and we're all pretty much sitting in profits. Every single person in my trading room and who's watched the live streams, we're all sitting in profits because it blew up today and pretty hard. Alright, so what is Web3 API economy? Alright, it creates trustless applications that interact with web APIs. Right? First-party oracles are the next generation technology to access off-chain data. API3 is leading the movement from legacy third-party oracle networks to first-party oracle solutions that deliver more security, efficiency, and data source transparency. Okay, now just reading that, it made me dive a little bit more into the white paper and the documentations they had, so I can understand the tech a little bit better. Now, what I do like is their beacon system. Okay, lightweight first-party data feeds that reduce cost and scale data access for Web3. Okay, beacons allow the smart contract developers to connect Web3 applications to continuously update streams of off-chain data, such as the latest cryptocurrencies, stock, and commodity prices, operated by the market's most trusted and reliable data providers. Beacons are a transparent, cost-efficient, and scalable way for smart contracts to interact with the off-chain data they need. So basically what this means is that it's scalable up and scalable down, right? We're going to take a look at the API3 access beacons now. Beacons allow smart contract developers to connect Web3 applications to continuously update streams of off-chain data, right? Now, how does it work? Well, operated by the market's more trusted and reliable data providers, beacons are transparent, cost-efficient, and scalable way for smart contract to interact with the off-chain data they need. Okay. Traditional Web3 data feeds rely on the network of third-party oracle nodes built on API3's first-party oracles. Beacons cut out the middleman and the hefty fees they collect. Point check. Data source transparent. Beacons are fed directly from the API provider to the blockchain. There are no third-party oracle nodes in the middle to attack, and developers know exactly where the data came from, so it can be trusted. When data comes directly from a reputable source, the provider's off-chain reputations come with it. More transparency means more selectivity and security. Scalable up and down. Beacons are lightweight and highly scalable. Scale up for high-performance chains. Scale down for a wide range of use cases that aren't feasible with traditional data feeds. Okay, guys, I really like this. I believe they can accomplish it because they do have the tag, they do have the team behind it, and it's an idea that is going to make Web3 a bit more secure. This project has been around since 2020. It's not something that just came out yesterday. I've been following it ever since it came out first, and when I saw this in the accumulation zone, I decided to invest in this project. And what do you know, it just boomed to the upside, right? So I do strongly recommend you study this project because it can be worth it for the years to come. Okay, now remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is in no way investment recommendation, but I'm only doing this for educational purposes because I believe this education is necessary in cryptocurrency. Alright, now quickly we'll dive into the tokenomics. Alright, so total supply is 104 million tokens. Circulating supply is 36 million, almost 37 million tokens. Okay, market cap is 345 million, which has gone up today by 80% actually since yesterday, and fully diluted market cap is 974 million. All right, so if you do the math to currently go from the market cap of 344 million all the way up to 974 million, it's only a 2.5x. okay, which means from the current price of $9 it can easily go up to $22. Okay, well, that's what the math says. All right, now we'll take a look at technical analysis, but before I do that, remember, token supply is a third of circulating supply, is the third of total supply available of this coin. Okay, so that is pretty healthy, right? And the market cap is not that big either. Now we'll dive into the technical analysis. Now I posted the call, as you can see on my screen. I posted the call in my trading group with the fractal idea. By the way, this fractal is from YFI. I saw this, I remembered the same thing of accumulation that happened before YFI hit 100,000, but because it was in accumulation, there was no bad entry. Okay, the best we could do is pick it up at $4, $4.50, and we'll just be patient with it. Okay, and what do you know, it just did break up to the upside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the chart on CoinTrader Pro because I have a little bit more data than Binance or KuCoin chart. Okay, so on CoinTrader Pro, what we have is the first initial rise, the crash, the retrace to the upside, and this is the accumulation zone. Okay, so it has been pretty strong, and Bitcoin has gone down all the way from 69,000 to 30,000, and again from 45,000 all the way down to 39, but this coin has been sort of bear proof, so to speak. Okay, which means the accumulation was strong, and because the accumulation was strong on it, the support was holding, it was a good idea to get in the bottom of that accumulation range, which we did. Okay, so let's talk about the targets. Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to take this initial point for the Fibonacci, put it at the bottom right here. Okay, this is the accumulation zone. So using the Fibonacci's, the maximum it can go to is about $23.25. And as we looked at the tokenomics, 2.5x from the current price of $9 was putting it about $22, which means there's confluence. Okay, and usually what happens with these coins that break out of the accumulation zone, they break out pretty hard and they go back to the target. Now I've posted call on KDA that did practically the same thing, posted call on Trias that did practically the same thing, and posted call on QRDO, which did practically the same thing as well. They went to the maximum of Fibonacci targets. Okay, now this is of course not a guarantee because nothing in trading is guaranteed, but this looks to me very plausible because there is a lot of confluence with technical analysis, the token metrics, and the projects. Now one thing that I know that this can happen is the volume. 846 million in volume. Look, it's up by 440% today alone. Alright, so people are getting into this project, they're looking at this project. Now it's just definitely some interest there. Well, as I said before, this is not a financial advice. I do recommend you study this project and follow me on Twitter at CoinsMonster1. Follow us on YouTube. We talk about these projects constantly on the live stream. As I've said before, I mentioned it for a week. I did not let get anybody miss this project, either my subscribers, the newcomers. I wanted to put this info out there to keep an eye on it at least. Okay, so follow us on YouTube, join our Telegram group, and you will get a lot more info coming up for the alt season that is yet to come, in my opinion. All right, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed. I will be releasing more and more videos pretty soon.